Hi everyone, welcome to part 2, and now I'm going to show you how to use surface imperfection overlays on top of an existing material. So I already have my tiles that we created in the first part, and now I'm just going to go and create a second material, and this is going to be my overlay. So I'll choose Vray material, and I'll just rename this. And also make sure to change the color in the diffuse from gray to a pure white. Okay, now that I've got these two materials, I'm going to create a third, and this is going to be my blend. So I'll go choose Vray blend material. And then I'll make sure to drag it to the sphere so it's applied. And now I'm going to take my tiles and drag this into the base material slot of this blend. Then I'll take my overlay and drag it into the first slot of the coat materials. And now we're seeing a blend between these two materials, and that's because the color right here is at a gray. And if I change this value, you'll see it is blending right between them. However, of course, I don't want a color to be driving this but an image. So I'm going to be using this image right here, which is a primarily black image with white details on it. But before I do that, I'll go down to the blend amount here, and I'm going to load in a color correction map. Now that that's loaded in, I'll load my image in. So go to bitmap and choose the overlay image. We can see the effect happening a bit down here. So before I make any adjustments to the contrast, I'll just change the tiling. So I'll change this to a value of 2. And also you can change the offset on the UNVs in case you want to more precisely change the positioning of this overlay. Okay, so going to the parent level, I'll now go down to lightness and change it to advanced. And this is where I can change some of the contrast to make it a bit more obvious. So I'll just drag this gamma contrast slider up. And we can see it appearing there more clearly. And I like to blend this with lift offset. So if I really wanted to make the details pop out, I just take this value down by a little bit. And there you go. So just play between these two values here until you get just the right look for your scene, your image. And yeah, we can see the overlay working clearly now. And that's pretty much it. So the only other tip I could give is if you want to apply multiple layers and multiple overlays, you could add more down here up to 9. And yeah, just really start to layer effects on top of your material. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.